welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanusi.
I'm Rizzi.
So this is our Saraswati Puja vlog. So
Not today, tomorrow.
not today, tomorrow is Saraswati Puja. So tomorrow we are going to perform in our school. Means we have program in our school.
Yes.
So now we are practicing.
Yeah.
So you will get to see a little bit practice.
Yeah.
We will not show the full.
Yeah.
So guys, I have taken the bath and good morning and happy Saraswati Puja. So Rajasi is wearing clothes here.
Hi guys.
So what we are going to do now? So now we are going to
School.
yes, for program we are going to school. So now we will get ready. Yeah, we have to get ready for the program.
Yeah.
So the another thing is that another surprise is that today is Tunu's birthday. Who is Tunu? This is Tunu. So today it is.
And this is Sonu.
Yeah, this is Tunu. This is Munu, and the birthday boy is Tunu. And today is his birthday. So so we are planning something. How we will decorate it?
Yeah.
So we have planned it. The theme will be ice cream theme. So I'm sure he will love it. Yeah. So meet you in the birthday party.
She loves ice cream. Oh, he loves ice cream.
And please don't forget to tell how was our performance. Yes.
Yes.
So let's meet in the birthday party.
Yeah.
So guys, let's stop the TV. So guys, decoration is done. Means almost done. So I will show you. Now we have to get ready. So let's meet in the party.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear little one. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless dear little one. May God bless you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear little one. Happy long life to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday
Ai cũng quay đi bằng. Được chưa? Itu kerja.
Ada pisah dulu. Anak kira bang, babu bang. Sama sekali bang aja.
Boleh di jalan mana? Yang punya, logo.